it seems like you're in like a low point. Networking kind of helps you navigate how to get out of that low point and kind of get you to another level of your life. And it impacted me so much that I realized in this day and age, people really don't know how to network. And especially with the pandemic, it's even harder to communicate because at the time we're all sitting at home. We're all just not really doing anything. So how we communicate is very, very different. But the moment you start networking, the moment you start communicating, the moment you start being intentional with what you want out of your life, things start happening in very miraculous ways. And I wrote this book to help people discover the power of networking and being intentional. Amazing, round of applause. Okay, this is thumbs up, thumbs down, how'd they do? Okay, who can explain how she did? We can navigate this. Anyone have any? Yes, in the back, Siani.
I think you guys did really good with small talk. That's something that I struggle with. So just coming together and finding the common ground while you're at that conference, I thought that was really cool. I have a partner for the conference.
Exactly, because especially when you're going into a conference and you don't know anybody, it's great to just spark a conversation because you never know. You might have something in common, you might not, which leads me to the next part of this. So round of applause for you guys. Thank you so much. Y'all are amazing. I got a bookmark for both of y'all at the end.
My name is Desiree Jones. I am a recent grad. Honestly, it's been like 5 years, not gonna lie to you, but I promise you it's gonna fly by to those, our seniors. Are there seniors here? Where are the seniors? Congratulations, you're almost there. You're almost there. Okay, juniors. Got juniors. Mostly juniors, okay. We're ramping up, get ready for senior year, and then sophomores. All right, listen to this carefully because you guys are gonna be needing this more and more. Take advantage now because you have 2 more years, okay? Juniors, listen, senior year, it's here, pretty much. Seniors, jobs, internships, it's about to happen. But I'm here to help you guys learn more about networking. Networking is the ability to communicate and establish relationships to help you and others progress in their future endeavors. That is an overall general statement of what networking is. Communicating and establishing relationships to help each of you progress. So it's a mutual understanding. LinkedIn is for jobs. LinkedIn is for opportunities. It's about networking. That's usually what happens. So now we'll get into the social justice. Each of these members, anybody recognize any of these people? Right? Harriet Tubman, Malcolm X, Marsha P. Johnson. These are all networking masterminds. Why? Because each of them had to talk to somebody the moment they realized something isn't right. I gotta make something happen. Every single one of these people had to communicate to get their message across.
Nobody's buying the faucet you're in.
That's true. That's good to think about, right? Because you just never know. But I'm sure in this case, y'all are friendly. It was never meant to be that way, but that's something to think about. So yes, if you want a promotion, what are you working on, right? What's something you need help with or you're looking to do in the future for future projects? So round of applause, everyone. Again, for lovely people. We don't do that. But again, these are real life scenarios, right? Because when you go out and you're going to a conference, you're going to a workshop, you're going to a webinar, you're going to school, you're meeting a professor, you just never know how the conversation can start. So these are great ways to just start off, right?